Hey guys, it's back with Johnny Tech Review and I hope you guys are all doing well. So I've been using these Aglia earbuds now for about 2 weeks and I wanted to give you guys a quick review on them. So let's get into it. First of all, pretty simple. They come in a no-frill package, rich brown package here. Inside you get the earbud, you get some user menu like these and a quick start. Pretty basic stuff, and then also you get some ear tips and a USB-C cable, which I didn't use because I have some other cable. So here's the charging case for it. It is a nice case that can do about 5 charge. They say 5 hours each and can do about 5.5. So total of 30 hours of playtime. I'll get into that in a second. Up front you have 4 LED bars to indicate 25 to 100%, and the case is USB-C charge, about 1.5 hours to charge it. And if you do wireless charging, which it does support, 3 hours. In terms of features, it say about 5 hours on these earbuds. I got about 3.5 4 hours at about 80% battery. Drop these in here like this and they recharge. You do have to drop the right one in. The right one is the one to the right and the left one is the one to the left. Just gotta remember that. But they go inside and they look like this. And this thing closes really easy, as you can see. But inside out, you can see that you can take them out, and when you take them out, they automatically pair to your phone if you've done it before. If you've never done that before, you just have to go to your Bluetooth setting and turn it on. So these are Bluetooth 5.0, so they're very energy efficient, and yeah, the case is really small. I like that. So it comes with 3 set of tips. I use the medium side one, the one that comes with it by default, and that one works pretty well. It has a really good sound isolation, so when you put them on, even if you don't play any music. I was on a flight, cancel out a lot of noise, but when you start playing some music, you can't really hear anything. If you're walking around and moving around, it's not going to make a lot of ear-rubbing noise. Sometimes that can be very annoying. Sound quality wise, pretty impressive. I would say these are similar to the Padmu one that I used previously. This and the Padmu is about the same in terms of sound quality. I couldn't really notice the big difference. If you like really good bass and really good isolation, these are good. The trebles are pretty clean, and the mid-range are, I would say, pretty good. Vocal, pop music stand out pretty well on these. So not muddle, very clean and crisp. I do like these a lot. Now let me tell you some of the bad things about these. So first of all, I would say there is really just one bad thing, and that is the touchpad. So on these, they come with a little sticker that have the touchpad. They tell you to touch right around here. I'm having a very hard time to find them. The Padmu and some of the other ones are very easy. You tap it and it works. This one I have to try it 5 or 6 times, and it's really annoying, and I don't like it at all. And I ended up not using it. But the good thing is I have an Apple Watch. In general, I don't use the touchpad. I just kind of control my Apple Watch. So yeah, if you put it in your ear like this and you try to tap it, I never hit it. I'm like at like 5 or 7 times, maybe I'll hit it once, but other than that, I never actually hit the right place, and it's really frustrating. So the touch sensitive from these are basically crap. Either that or I have a really bad sample. So yeah, that's the problem with these. Sound quality is really good, but that touch sensitive thing is not good at all. So there's no app or anything like that. You just pair them in and start using them and it works pretty well. The other thing is the microphone. So I was on the road with these, and in the airport I was not trying to speak too loud, but no voice, and my wife said it was kind of muddled. It's like muted, she could barely hear me. Alright guys, I'm using the microphone right now. I'm using my phone. I'm doing the voice recording so you can kind of test it out. This is normal talking quality. I'm going to speak a little bit louder, a little bit softer. This is normally my talking voice. Give you an idea of how good the mic is or how bad it is. I ended up just not using it for phone call. So if you're trying to use that, I think you have to speak a little bit louder and not in so noisy environment. It doesn't have noise cancellation or anything like that. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so that's the other downside. I would say compared to these and the Padmu has slightly better microphone than these. And the Padmu touchpad also works, so that's the good thing. Price wise, I think these were like 35. Sometimes they have coupons, so maybe you can get these for cheaper. But if all you care about is sound quality, then these are pretty good. Other than that, wireless work well, charge fast, put it in the case, charge very fast, pair on up, no problem. No disconnection, not syncing issues, anything like that. When you play YouTube video, it's almost there. It's not exactly perfect like AirPods or something like that, but there is a little bit tiny delay. You can notice it if you care enough watching people talking like my video here. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys appreciate this review. Thank you to Aglia to send this out for me to check it out. If you guys have any other question, please leave it in the comment box down below. Please leave a thumb up if you find it useful, and subscribe for more future content. Thanks.